Machin. Alors aujourd'hui on se retrouve pour une nouvelle vidéo. On est sur un spot, une petite ligne droite là, comme vous pouvez le voir. Où, on va s'entraîner à faire des ronds. Dans la dernière vidéo session wheeling, j'avais mon tirage qui était super long. Maintenant là je l'ai changé. C'est un volcan comme vous pouvez le voir là. Et maintenant il est beaucoup moins. Là il est à fond ici. Il est beaucoup moins long.
Bon les gars, on se retrouve pour une nouvelle session wheeling. Donc voilà la bêta. Pas grand chose qui a changé à part que là j'ai essayé de faire frotter la vraie bavette par le support de plaque. Ça a rajouté de la difficulté. Du coup voilà, sur cette session, deux objectifs. Essayer de faire frotter la vraie bavette et le no-end.
Bottles in a bucket full of ice. Yeah. Better make room, hit a Lambo. Celebrate. Bitch, better believe that I'm a sniper. Yeah. You know I'm about to take you from your man, though. Celebrate. Pop up with the chopper at artificial niggas acting like bitches and they started up an epidemic. It don't make a difference, nigga, we winning. I'm plenty grinning. 100 million platinum, fuck it, you ain't gotta listen. Celebrate. Better step down to me. Feel a dick, bitch, open up your mouth to me. Nacho, talk to the dick, honestly. I'm dope, bitch, coming like any, meeny, money, mo. Celebrate. I don't like when I lose. If I don't buy her them shoes, I don't like those. Regulate. Do anything that I want to. Think I'm gonna dance on the moonlight, Michael, elevate.
While I'm driving the moon, walking in the sky with some shooters, we jump inside of the Buick. You duck a half in the Rugers, a couple choppers, a cruise again.
Cold at the touch, dead in the eyes. No signs of life no more. I put your love under the knife. Leave me to die here all alone. No signs of life no more, no. A crying dove may never fly. Black and white. Yeah. Black and white. Oh, 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 oh. It's black and white. Come on. Love, no more, baby. Black and white, no more, baby.
I could never have a money wife. You had no time to kiss me. I do what I love or die. I should think the same when I be. Never live a boring life. Hashtag that in a tweet. Can I let the life of fight? Get a bed tiger, see where life leads. Elevation's what I deal with.
Ouais, essaye juste d'aller comme si tu faisais une bavette normale.
Get a bed tiger, see what life needs. Elevation's what I deal with. So close so my soul can't breathe. When I wake up I'm dreaming. Playtime like back in primary. Bit nostalgic, now I'm feeling. Fresh Prince saved by the bells, what it might be. Open anime bins for the evening. Bebop, bleach, Jagabozi. Don't know what to call this feeling. This lust for life is crazy. Ain't nothing wrong with sleeping. Better live a gangster life in your dreams. Big money ain't where I made it. I just wanna bone past 140. Your imagination's got a ceiling. Go by suicide for dummies. Go ahead, go be a weirdo. Don't know. I've been left from the get-go. Don't know. Can't live life like them. That ain't wildlife when you just on safari. Go be safe in your Jeep. I walk with the elephants. Rolling with elephants. Rolling with elephants. Rolling with elephants. Rolling. Go ahead, call me a weirdo. Don't know. I've been left from the get-go. Don't know. I walk with the elephants. Rolling with the elephants. Rolling.
I come true like you don't know. Yeah, fam. This one is gone clear, fam. Heard couple little man said they don't like me. Does it look like I care, fam? I told these niggas from back in 03. Don't know me, but your girl knows me. This man I get wrapped like a lamb roti. Fritzing about this nigga, oh please. I'm one of the realest out here. I'm from a place that hate the police. Came up on the estate, I was always on the road. Guess you could say I was raised on the street. You niggas don't wanna come down here. Big up my hometown N15. Start get gal when I hit 15. I got my first son when I hit 16. Strictly good vibes, but I'm on yo. Don't know. The rhino got my eye low. Don't know. Come true like what is it on yo? Don't know. So think first before you try me. Been a bad boy for my left primary.
Go ahead, go be a weirdo. Don't know. I've been left from the get-go. Don't know. Can't live life like them. That ain't wildlife when you just on safari. Go be safe in your Jeep. I walk with the elephants. Rolling with